Food?
Food, yes.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, Daily Driven Exotics. My name's Damon. This is Nick. This is Dave.
What's up?
And we're just gonna stop first of all and get some food. By the way, we're in a Ferrari FF. It's a 4-seater.
You're wondering the back seat of a Ferrari.
Yeah.
And I'm comfortable.
In-N-Out Burger again?
Ah, classic. The back seat of an FF, guys.
Amazing.
Oh, there's tons of room.
This is it. This is the ride. We got the FF. Oh, we also got a 488 Spider. That's right. We're gonna go back and pick that up in a minute. We just wanted to show off the 4 seats in the Ferrari first. Dave's even got a Ferrari hat on. Dude, you're amazing.
Thanks, royalty. They gave me a hat.
Round 2. We can never show the wives this. Is there a way to make it so that the wives can't click on the video?
Pixelate this.
It's all salad.
It's all my fault.
After this, just think we're gonna eat all this kind of like fast food, and then we're gonna go drive fast cars. First person that throws up loses.
Wins.
Oh. We're gonna go pick up the FF?
Let's do this.
No,
we had the FF.
488 Spider.
That works.
Okay. Quick tutorial.
Yeah.
So this is different in the sense that the turn signals are here.
Okay.
So obviously left turn signal, right turn signal. Paddles are right up, left down. If you really want to, you can push the auto button right there just to get comfortable with the car at first. It'll shift for you.
Yeah.
This is a twin clutch. It's a V12. Plenty of power, all-wheel drive. Really easy car to drive. Rides really beautifully. I'm gonna put a bit of heat in the 488. Getting into the rocket, you guys. Being that this is the 488 Spider, of course we gotta drive with the top off. I'll get Nick to hit it. Okay, Nick, hit it, brother. And just like that, we're going topless. We're gonna take you guys out to the Red Rock Canyons, do a little sightseeing. Nice Ferrari hat! You'll have to pay for both of us on the DD card, please. You guys come and get some supercars, you gotta come to Red Rock Canyon and experience this. It's beautiful. We just got Dave paying for us. In the dad hat with the dad Ferrari. Thanks a lot. That's some background. Instagram photo heaven. Dave, thoughts on the FF?
It might be the perfect car. It might.
You like it?
Well, it's a Ferrari. It's the V12. Plus, it has back seats. I mean, it's the ultimate daily driver.
It's quick.
Yeah, it's fun. It's cool. Super easy to drive.
Why are you wearing a Ferrari hat with driving a Ferrari?
I didn't think it through. I was like, how about this hat? I'm like, oh, now I'm the guy wearing the hat. I need to have the red Ferrari now with the red hat. I'd be like this. Oh yeah, that's my car. Has a tag hanging out the side.
You can't what?
I can't even take him serious right now.
It's pretty bad. Like, dude. And then you have a shirt on that says Daily Driven Exotics.
It's the perfect car.
Like
you know, it's got a back seat. Can put the kids in. Daily Driven Exotic.
You look like you're trying really hard, bro.
You're so confused.
I'll have to try.
You're so confused right here.
Oh man, we're having a blast though. The 488's pretty fun to drive. It's what I expected. A slightly faster version of a 458 without all the cool sound. I mean, it's got that like turbo engines do. So that's cool. It's an experience. If you had never driven a Ferrari before, this thing could scare someone real quick. And the roads in Vegas are slick. We were coming the on-ramp. Got a little sideways coming onto the freeway. Oh, this is hilarious. You keep taking snaps of him and stuff. Oh, bro. These cars look amazing together. Rocks are sick.
Yeah, the rocks rock.
The rocks rock.
This is crazy. Oh, this is cool.
Yeah. It's amazing how red, like, these have a red tinge to them, but like those are like, bright red. When you're driving out here, like, look, you can see the line. See that?
Yeah.
What makes it do that? I guess we'd have to go read the plaque.
Yeah, we probably have to do that.
I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna skip out on that one. Come check out Red Rock Canyon, guys. There's trails all down in here. You see the people? Oh, way over there, looks like little ants. Photo?
Yeah, bring YouTube with us. You guys,
Photo
you guys are in.
Photo op. You guys are in the shot. Shot. Okay, I'll jump in the FF.
You got a built-in selfie stick.
And we'll get some cool rollers. Hold on, I need that.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, sir. You loving it?
Yeah, actually, you know what? I really like this. I didn't think I would at first, but I like it. I think I want one.
It's amazing. Just coming back from the Red Rock Canyon, Dave and I had an idea that we'd stop and just quickly show you guys the cars not in movement and talk about a few of the specs, because the FF and the 488 are completely different beasts. This has a V12 producing 651 horsepower through an all-wheel drive drivetrain. 0 to 60, we looked it up. What was it?
3.7 seconds.
3.7 seconds. Let's check out the heart of this beast.
There you have it. Wicked. I'm almost speechless from driving this car.
It's also the first time you've driven an FF, correct?
It is, and it's just so, like, for a minute you can feel like you're in any car, like a nice, comfortable sedan, and all of a sudden when you want to, it's a supercar.
Yeah, it's fast.
It's just fast.
We are now inside the Ferrari FF. Similarities, the big huge tack in the center as a 458 or the 488 has. Similar features here, start and stop. This is your bumpy road mode if you want to keep things in a sports setting but want the suspension to be softer. Turn signals. This is different though. 458s and 488s don't have this big LED screen right here, which is neat. You've been driving it, you like it?
I do.
You were sitting in the back as well?
Honestly, I'm 6'2". I'm totally fine back there. There's enough headroom, leg room.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Awesome. Trunk room?
It's huge.
Let's go have a look.
Huge.
I love that. Ta-da! So we got a bunch of gear in here. We got, what, a couple of backpacks.
Yep.
Now, it's not super deep, but they've got plenty of room to get at least a couple of full-size bags of luggage.
I wonder if those back seats fold down.
Oh, I'm sure they do.
These here.
Yeah, I'm sure they do. That folds.
Oh yeah, you could go to Home Depot, get some tiling, whatever it takes for the weekend job.
Do a house reno.
Yeah. Can we buy one?
Are we getting one? Let's put it on the list. FF, or even better, we'll step it up. Let's get a Lusso.
Yeah.
Lusso. Now the next question, FF styling. Thoughts?
Honestly, it depends on the angle. So from this perspective, like the 3/4, it's super aggressive looking. The back, I don't love it as much. Again, it's growing on me. The cool thing is you can pull in a parking lot and no one really gets it at first. Whereas in a red 488, it's a big statement. So it could be more subtle, drop kids off to school. You know, the car guys might get it right away, but most people will be like, oh, what is that? Oh, cool. So it's more subtle.
If you want to stand out in this, what do you need to wear?
Oh, sorry. So they gave me this hat, Houston and the guys, thanks a lot. Then I realized I'm the guy driving the Ferrari, wearing the Ferrari hat, And I actually have my Ferrari sweater on right now. So
no, you don't.
It's a triple no-go.
That's so bad.
You get one or the other.
That's so bad. They happen to style this car with some Vorsteiner wheels. Makes it look a little nicer than the stock wheels. Continental tires. What?
You were saying something to me that was a shock.
What's that?
So these shields,
yes,
they're not factory, it's an option.
It's an option. You have to pay for them.
How much would that cost to add to my FF, approximately?
What is the factory option for the shields, remember? It's not cheap.
2,800?
Yeah, it's like $3 grand.
Wow.
Shall we talk about the 488
Yeah,
now?
let's do it.
Next up, 48 Spider, V8 twin turbo, 660 horsepower. Woo. He's laughing at me because we've actually had to do this a few times. And 0 to 60 in how long?
3 seconds flat.
Whoa, whoa. Now we are in the interior of obviously the 488 Spider. Very similar, big tack in the middle, bunch of buttons on the steering wheel. This one though, opposed to the FF, it only goes to sport. This has a race mode. These are all your media controls. Same situation here with your climate controls. Ferrari keeps it pretty simple, which I like. I can appreciate it. This is a pretty classic red on tan interior. This is the true Ferrari car. That's an awful Italian accent, but it's all I got. Let's get out of here, guys.
All right, let me ask you a question.
Sure.
Does this make you miss driving your 458?
Oh yeah, dude. That's very similar to my 458. In fact, it's like the 458 just on steroids. Like, you know? That sounds awesome. Yeah, I miss it. Although I miss the sound of my 458. My 458 sounded like an F1 car.
Let's compare NA versus turbo for 458.
Well, like I said, there's way more power, but I feel like I'm lacking the sound.
Ah, yeah.
You know, the sound of my old car with the full race exhaust was that, but this isn't bad. It's good. Thing sounds awesome. Yeah, I really like it. Oh, right under here? Wow. Oh, gotta give these back already? Really?
I know. That day flew by. Look at the NSX.
I think so. Those headlights are crazy.
Yeah. Gotta say, you look good in that car.
Thank you, thank you. I really like that car. I like that car a lot. Dual Ferrari day. A dual Ferrari day. I was quite pleased with that adventure. How about you? Fun. Ripping around. Still some beautiful scenery. Now what?
Oh, it just came on.
Dinner.
Look at that.
Dinner. We're going for dinner. You guys, thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button. Throw me a thumbs up. If you guys need anything, contact Royalty Exotics. They got it all. I'm telling you, you can't have more fun for the money. You can't. You come to Vegas, you get these things, you can go all out, get them for 24 hours. Honestly, I think the package is get them for 4 hours. Pick it up at 10, drop it off at 2. You got the rest of your afternoon to do whatever you want. You can see a lot of stuff in 4 hours here. You do Hoover Dam, you can do Red Rock, you can do Mount Charleston, you can cruise the strip, you can go downtown old school Vegas. That's all I got. Subscribe to the channel, buy some merch. Peace.